A roof coating is generally the same idea as putting a brand new roof on. A lot of people don't understand it, and a whole bunch of people do it wrong. And so it gets a bad reputation because they don't understand how to apply that product. The really awesome thing I love about the product though is it has 2 or 3 major advantages to it. One, it's Energy Star. So a lot of times when we coat metal buildings, they don't have air conditioning, their people are really, really hot in the building. The sun's beating through that old mill looking product. And when we put the Energy Star product on there, 1, you get a tax credit. But 2, their people are so happy. It's so much cooler in a building with an Energy Star product on. It's also considered maintenance, so they can take it 100% off their taxes. Unlike other roofing products that they're gonna spend $500,000, $100,000, whatever the product is that we're putting on, knowing that they could save themselves hundreds of thousands of dollars. Roof coatings are probably most commonly put over metal roofing because much of the metal roofing is not painted on commercial buildings. So I hope at the end of every project that when people see their bright, shiny, brand new white roof and their electric bills are cheaper, that they'll realize that they hired the right company to save them money and didn't have to pay 2, 3, 4 times as much to do the roof that was offered by other companies.